SOP reduction using Carnot method. How to reduce the Boolean expression in SOP using K-map. Yeah, last classes we have learned how to draw the K-map. Yeah, 4 variable K-map. We have seen how to draw this. This is the 4 variable K-map. 0, 0. This left side 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Top also 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Then the inside numbers, first row 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. In all the questions, first itself you have to draw this K-map. If the variables are A, B, C, D, you can draw like this, A, B and C, D. If MN, OP means MN will be in the left side, OP will be on the top side. Like that, according to the variable, you can draw the K-map. 0, 0 means A bar, B bar, 0, 1, A bar, B. Like that, we can draw this K-map. In next, how to reduce the K-map. In K-map, first itself, we have to find, is there any octet? Octet means 8 ones are adjacent. 1. Ones and zeros. In K-map, this K-map contains ones and zeros. Then if 8 ones are adjacent, that is called octet. 4 ones are adjacent, that is called quad. 2 ones are adjacent, that is called a pair. Then first itself we will see how to reduce a pair. Using this pair reduction rule, we can remove one variable. Using this pair removes one variable. Then we'll see how to remove the one variable. See, this is a 4 variable K-map. Here, how many pairs are there? 2 pairs. First pair is the column 0 and 4. 0 and 4 joining. In 0, 1 is there. 4 also 1 is there. So, these 2 ones we are circled. If 2 ones are there, we need to circle that 2 ones. That is a pair. Here, see the columns 15 and 14. There is also one pair. That is, in this K-map, 2 pairs are there. First, we are circle that pair. Then, how to reduce that pair? We can consider this pair 0 and 4. Then, how to reduce this pair? To reduce the pair, first itself, we have to consider the left side. First, we need to consider the left side of that pair. What is in left side? What is the left side of the pair? A bar, B bar, then A bar, B. Okay. In this one, which variable is changing? In this two min term, one variable is changing. See here, B bar is changing to B. First variable is A bar itself. A bar is not changing. This variable B is changing. Means B bar is changing to B. Which variable is changing? That variable we can remove. Okay, here which variable is changing? In the first pair, B bar is changing to B. So, we can remove the variable B. Then left side, remaining thing is A bar. Then consider the top side of the first pair, that is C bar, D bar. So, reduced expression of pair 1 is equal to left side A bar is there, top side C bar D bar is there. So reduced expression of pair 1 is equal to A bar C bar D bar. Reduced expression of pair 1 is equal to A bar C bar D bar. Which variable removed? Yeah, B removed. Variable B removed in that expression. Okay, that is why in pair reduction, we are removing one variable. What are the four variables? A, B, C, D. From that four variables, B removed. That is one variable removed. Then we can consider the second pair. Which is the second pair? Yeah, 15 and 14. That is a pair. First, consider the left side. What is the left side of 15, 14? AB. Left side is AB. Then AB should be there. There is no change. Then consider the top side. What is the top side? CD and CD bar. CD and CD bar. Which variable is changing? D is changing to D bar. C is not changing. D is changing to D bar. So, which variable we can remove? Variable D, because D is changing. Which variable is changing? That variable we can remove. So, what will be the reduced expression? Left side AB, top side C. So, the reduced expression of pair 2 is equal to ABC. Okay. Reduced expression of pair 1 is A bar C bar D bar. Reduced expression of pair 2 is equal to ABC. Next, quad reduction rule. Next is quad reduction rule. In quad reduction rule, we can remove two variables. In pair reduction, we can remove one variable. Using the quad reduction, we can remove two variables. We'll see how to remove the variable. See the first quad here. What is a quad? 4 ones are adjacent is a quad. 4 ones are adjacent, that is called quad. See here 0, 4, 12, 8. The columns 0, 4, 12, 8 forms a quad. Quad means 4 ones are adjacent. Then consider the left side. Left side A bar B bar is there, A bar B is there, AB is there, AB bar is there. Check is there any changes. See here B bar is changing to B, here A bar is changing to A. So we can remove this two variable. Left side we can remove both the variables A and B. Then which is the top side? C bar D bar. So the reduced expression of quad 1 is equal to C bar D bar. Okay. Then we can consider the next quad. Next, which is the next quad? Columns 7, 6, 15, 14. 7, 6, 15, 14 is the second quad. Quad 2. Then how to reduce quad 2? Consider the left side of quad 2. What are the expressions in terms? A bar B and AB. A bar B, AB. Which is changing? Variable A. Because A bar is changing to A. Left side of the quad 1. A bar B, AB. A bar is changing to A. So, we can remove the variable A. B is not changing. So, the left side, which one will be there? B will be there and we can remove the variable A. Okay. Then the top side. consider the top side of the quad 2, CD and CD bar. Which variable is changing? D is changing to D bar. So, which variable will be there? C will be there. We can remove the variable D. So, the reduced expression of quad 2 is equal to BC. Okay, reduced expression of quad 2 is equal to BC. That is why using the quad, we can remove two variables. What are using the first quad, what are the four variables? A, B, C, D. In quad 1, A and B removed. C, D is there. That is, we removed two variables. Consider the second quad. From A, B, C, D, A and D removed. That is, two variables can remove using a quad. Then next one, octet. What is an octet? 8 ones are adjacent is called an octet. 8 ones are adjacent is called an octet. See here, which is the octet? They say the columns 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. 8 ones are adjacent. This is called an octet. Then using this octet, we can remove three variables. Consider the left side of the octet. AB, then AB bar, which is changing. Which one is changing? B is changing to B bar, so we can remove variable B. Then consider the top side. See, all the min terms are there. See, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, CD and CD bar. In the first one, D bar is changing to D. Here, second to that, C bar is changing to C. We can remove both C and D in top. So, what will be the reduced expression of this octet? Only A. From A, B, C, D, B, C and D removed. That is why using an octet, we can remove how many variables? 3 variables. Yes, that is, using the pair reduction, we can remove 1 variable. Using the quad reduction, we can remove 2 variables. Using the octet reduction, we can remove 3 variables. Okay. Next, one more topic, map rolling. What is map rolling? See, this one is a K-map. In this K-map, first itself we have to consider, is there any octet? 8 ones are adjacent. Here, no octet. There is no 8 ones are adjacent. So, there is no octet. Then, next we need to check, is there any quad? In the first look, we will tell there is no quad because there is no quad. 4 ones are not adjacent, but there is a quad. If you are folding this K-map, this 4, 2 and 6, 4s are adjacent. You just imagine like folding a paper. Same like that, imagine that folding that Carnot map. Then this 4, 2 and 6, 4 will be adjacent. So, that 4, 2 and 6, 4 is a quad. Okay, 4, 2 and 6, 4 is a quad using map rolling. By map rolling. Same, then what will be the reduced first we can consider the reduced expression of this quad. Consider the left side, A bar B, AB, top side, C bar, D bar and CD bar. In the left side, that's which variable is changing? A bar is changing to A, so we can remove A. B will be there. Top side C bar, D bar and C, D bar. Which variable is changing? C bar is changing to C. So what will be the reduced expression of this quad? B, D bar. B, D bar is the reduced expression of quad. Okay. Next, check, is there any pair? Using the map rolling, fold this K map. Then this 3 and 11, column 3 and 11 is adjacent. If you are folding that K map, same like a paper folding, you just imagine that K map is folding. Then that 3 and 11 is adjacent. So 3 and 11 makes a pair. So there is a pair. Then what will be the reduced expression of this pair? Consider the left side of that pair. A bar, B bar, AB bar. Which is changing? A bar is changing to A. So B bar will be there. You write that B bar. Then consider the top side. What will be the top side? CD. So the reduced expression of pair is, this one is not a quad, it's a pair. Reduced expression of pair is equal to B bar CD. B bar CD. Yeah, that is using the pair reduction, we can remove one variable. That is using the octet, we can remove 3 variable. Using the quad, we can remove 2 variable. Using the pair, we can remove 1 variable.